Are we ready to go to the BX? The BX!
You left it uncovered.
You ready to go to the BX? The BX. The BX. The Bella BX. Bella BX. Bella BX.
The Bella exchange?
Yeah, we're gonna exchange you. You ready to be exchanged? Oh, sorry. Oh, it's in my hair.
You got peanut butter in your hair.
Great. Woo, awesome. She's holding it up for you. Oh, are you gonna put that back? Thank you. Oh man, that's quite a bit of cracker in your hair, ma'am. How about here? Chew it. Mwah, 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 mwah. You gonna chew it? You're just gonna play with it in your mouth? Is that a good cracker? Yeah. Mom, you ready to go to the Bella Exchange?
Yeah.
Don't sound so excited.
Yeah.
Let's go! What was the end? Cut. Cut. Cut.
Go save your baby.
Cut it out.
Purple Converse. Grandma and baby. Purple shoes.
Purple shoes.
Purple shirt.
Purple shirt.
Purple shoes. Purple shirt.
Purple eyeballs.
Purple eyeballs.
I'm all purple today. I feel like Mr. Rogers putting on my shoes while you're recording it. Howdy, boys and girls.
Didn't he have Converse?
I don't.
He did wear Converse.
I don't think so.
No, he did.
I think he wore those old school orthopedic crackers.
No, he wore Converse.
No, he wore the old style tennis shoes.
Yeah, he didn't wear Converse. No, he did not wear
Like
Converse.
Navy shoes.
$20 says that real Rogers
Was an ex-Marine.
did not wear. Well, that's why he came out on top. What the heck?
Or what? Deck shoes or something?
Deck
He wore
shoes.
Converse.
No, he didn't.
I remember the lines.
Well, the lines.
The lines.
He did not.
Deck shoes have lines just like that.
He did not wear
No, they
Converse.
don't.
I'm gonna show you.
Won't you be my neighbor? I have been videoed.
Say something random.
Random. Okay, fine. Something random. Snorkel blagger.
Snorkel blagger?
You said random.
What's a snorkel blagger? Do tell.
Something random. Something random.
What's a snorkel blagger, B? She's like, hi, Mama.
I don't know.
Hi, Grandma. I like you. You're cute. You're cute. You're cute. You're cute. You're cute. We're at the BX. Again. For this is the 5th day in a row? 4th day? Something like that. It's close. Good times. Mom,
What?
our husbands are volatile together.
I know.
They're buying a PlayStation 3. Why are they buying a PlayStation 3? For the Blu-ray. Makes sense. But you could get a Blu-ray player. Their extra featured bonus for getting a PlayStation 3 is to help with my children's hand-eye coordination. They're 1.5.
Not even.
They're not even 1.5. They have absolutely no way. They would probably eat the controller, not push the buttons. Well, they might push the buttons, but yeah. And his response in that was, well, that's how we developed your hand-eye coordination. This is a perfect example of why we are called the Nerd Clan, because it even goes back generations of nerdiness. Hi. Hi.
Where's it on, Tiny?
Bella.
Go just push down the side of these ones.
Hi there.
Say, welcome to another episode of Naval Katina! It's good. We come here all the time, as you can see. Today we are getting
Grandpa here. Electronical cables.
electronical cables.
And bowls.
Electronical cables. Circles.
Better not do that too much.
Whoa. She's like, I'm gonna toss up my sushi rice, Grandpa. She's like, I am dizzy. Grandpa, you make me dizzy. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna let her run.
Run around.
She can. It's a dish dryer. But see, I want one of these, so when you guys get ready to come home.
One of those? That's pretty sweet.
Plus, it is remember my favorite refrigerator we had at the Sun?
Okay, bye.
Where it,
These little buckets, the little, let's get organized yourself. That's cute. I want tubs that are happy to see me. Fishy. Not going anywhere without me. I got the money. Fishies. You like the fishies?
the fish in the sea.
The fishies. We're going. Shrimp. Shrimpies. Hi. Oh. Tweet, tweet. Hi, tweet. I stopped tweeting when we got here. You can keep tweeting. Let's see, isn't there a ferret? Oh, look it! Oh, the little hamsters. The little hamsters. Do you like the hamsters? Yeah. Let's see, there was a ferret around here somewhere. What? The boa constrictor?
Wants to get the
Here,
boa.
she's fine. Back from shopping!
About that big.
Back from shopping!
So this will work too.
Oh!
And then we got, because this plug is since it's
Watching Loren and Dad put up their new toys. And I'm sitting here watching babies and talking to you. What you doing? What you doing? Being cute? Being naked? No clothes. Hi Dad, what you doing?
Making faces.
Making faces? Well, that's always a good pastime. Ah, he was playing with the snake. What? Ah, attack of the penny. Look at you. Let's see if we can get a baby to hug the bear. Come on, hug the bear. You want to hug the bear? Eva, here you go. Oh, Bella's like, me. Aw, well somebody, Loren, will you hand me a ginger or a gingy? Thank you. Aw, hi, love you. Cuddles. You have it set up, what do you think?
awesome.
It's awesome.
We gotta run the system now.
Why is it awesome?
Gotta give it a test control. Tiny, I need to
Get two nerds together and see what they do.
Are they gonna start copulating now, Mom? Get two nerds together and see what they do. Create nerdy birds and bees.
No, none of the nerds. They probably just started gaming.
Start making. When you get a motherboard and a fatherboard? No, a motherboard and a. Darn, that could have been cool. That could have been good. La 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 la.
Can't get down, can you?
We're gonna watch Despicable Me! I've never seen it. They've seen it. But I haven't seen it. Loren hasn't seen it. He was just like, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
He does the voice, right?
For what?
The guy that's
The
from
Evil Genius.
The Office?
the guy from Office,
The
Steve
Office?
Carell or something.
Seriously?
He does
Yeah,
the
he
voice
does the
for.
voice.
Cool, I like
Came
this.
up with a totally unusual voice and they loved it. It made the whole movie.
Nice.
Light bulb.
I like this movie already. You gonna watch it with us, Koichi? No, run away!
Get away from the epic sound.
Alright, well, later.